Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to stop background apps using power and game not working. Well, to do that, there are many ways to boost power and fix game issues. First is close background application. Well, to do that, tap the three lines at the bottom left corner and tap the X icon at the bottom to boost power and fix game issues. Also, you can go to your settings, then scroll down until you see apps and permissions, and tap App Manager. Choose the application that's running background, then tap the Force Stop button to close background apps. And that's how to stop background apps using power and game not working. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!